Hello guys, I'm super excited about the release of our new dynamic blocks on our email templates. So dynamic blocks allows you to add these cool, powerful call to actions within your email templates so people can take actions right from there. So we added 4 types of dynamic blocks for now. We have the ability to embed videos within the email, so you can copy paste your Vimeo or YouTube inside the settings, and we will take care of the rest. Second is adding countdown and counters. So now you'll be able to send people emails that have this rotating counter that gives them the sense of urgency to take action. Third is the ability to add calendar invites from within the template, meaning you can create an event and you choose which type of calendar to sync with. And with one click, the event will be added to the user's calendar. Fourth, we are adding the ability to make purchases from within the template. This is pretty cool because if you have PayPal or Stripe, you can create buttons and people can actually make a purchase or a donation or opt in, maybe buy a course right from the email. So the key with this is to cut down as many interactions as possible from in front of the user in order for them to take action, because we are in the lazy age and nobody wants to take action. So the less steps you offer your users, the better it is, or the more conversions you will see. So let's get started into this. Once you start building a template on VBout, on the left side, we have design your own. So if you click on that, towards the bottom, you'll see dynamic blocks. Here we have these initial designs we've created. So you can choose whichever one fits your need. Okay. You can drag and drop them into the canvas. So here I already preloaded a few of them. The first one is the calendar invite. So the way you can customize this is by hovering over this block. You'll see a settings icon. So if I click on it, it's going to show me the settings related to it. Now I will choose, for instance, adding it to an iCalendar, Google Calendar, and Outlook Online. Start and end date, also title, description, location, and time zone. And that's it. Of course, you have to customize the rest of the content here in order for it to tailor or look like you want it. The second block is the video. So also similarly, you would hover over it, you click on settings, and here you can copy paste your video. Let me see if I have one here and save it. We automatically grab the thumbnail for you, so there's no need for to worry about getting the photo, uploading it, etc. This is the third block, which is the payment. If I click on it, go to settings, I'll choose which gateway to use, what is the business ID, which is the email, and the description for the product. This is what is going to show on the PayPal page when you're making the user is making a payment. Lastly, this is the countdown. If I click on settings here, you can see the countdown or the counter, and has the end date. We can customize the colors if you want. So if you want to have them in red, you can change them to red, etc. One thing on the payment block, which I forgot to mention, if you want to customize the price, you have to click on the button. On the left side, you will choose the amount and the currency you'll use. I think we are supporting most of the major currencies out there. Okay, so very straightforward. These are the 4 dynamic blocks that we've created. So if I test this out and I send it to myself, you will see here, for instance, this is the invite. I can click on any of these and download the invite. I also have the video. So if you look at the bottom, the video will automatically get attached to the email. This is mainly on Gmail, by the way. It's not going to happen on Hotmail per se, at least for now. The buy now, if I click on it, it's going to take me to PayPal directly. So this will allow the user to make donations and pay directly from their inbox, which is super powerful. While this is loading, I'll show you the countdown. So here's the countdown. This will give the user a sense of urgency. So if you want to put in event expiring on or offer expires at, and this is the countdown for you to take action also, that pushes them to click. We've tested this with few users and they've seen an increase in their click-through rates. So I highly advise you start taking advantage of this, particularly, obviously depending on your industry, but it's something to consider And again, this is part of our improvement process. We're adding a lot of new stuff also on our landing pages soon. So stay tuned, and I look forward to see what you guys have to offer or how you're going to use these blocks to enhance your conversions. Thank you.